students, once again welcome back for mathematics online class. Today we will begin new lesson in mathematics, that is fraction. Before we start any exercise on fraction, I would like to explain you about fraction. Now what is a fraction? A fraction represents a part of the whole. It means that if a whole thing is divided into equal parts, then each part is known as a fraction. Like 1 by 4 is an example of fraction, and this fraction can also be represented in figures. As you can see here, I have drawn a circle and I have divided this circle into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Out of these 4 parts, one part is saved. So 1 by 4. Then a fraction consists of numerator and denominator. The number on the top is known as numerator and the number on the down is known as denominator. That means uppermost number is called numerator and the lower number is known as denominator. Now next kinds of fraction. Unit fraction. Fraction which have 1 as their numerator are called unit fraction. As you can see here, 1 by 3, 1 by 19, 1 by 45, 1 by 193, etc. These are unit fraction as they have 1 in their numerator. Now next your proper fraction. Fraction where numerator is less than the denominator are called proper fraction. It means that fraction whose numerator are less than the denominator are called proper fraction. As you can see here, 2 by 3. 2 is less than 3. This 2 is numerator, 3 is denominator. So your numerator 2 is less than the denominator, that is 3. 3 by 5. These are the examples of proper fraction. Can you tell me more examples? 3 by 5. Next, 4 by 5. Next, another example, 6 by 7. Like 8 by 9. These are proper fraction. As you can see, all these fraction, their numerator are less than the denominator. Now next, your improper fractions. Fraction where numerator is more than the denominator are called improper fraction. It means that fraction whose numerator are more than the denominator are called improper fraction. As you can see here, 5 by 4. 5 is more than 4. Next, 7 by 5. 7 is more than 5. Next, 3 by 2. 3 is more than 2. All these fractions, their numerators are more than the denominators. Can you tell me some more examples here? 5 by 4. Sorry. 6 by 5. 7 by 3. All these fractions are improper fraction. As you can see here, the numerators are more than the denominators. Now next, your mixed fraction. Fraction which consists of whole number and the proper fractions are called mixed fraction. As you can see here, 2 into 6 by 8. 2 is whole number, 6 by 8 is a proper fraction. And this is an example of mixed fraction. As you can see next, your 1 into 2 by 3. This fraction consists of whole number and proper fraction. See, 1 is whole number and 2 by 3 is a proper fraction. As you can see here, next 3 into 1 by 3, 4 into 1 by 4, etc. are the examples of mixed fraction, as they are made up of whole number and proper fraction. Now next, your like fraction. Fraction whose denominator are same are called like fraction. As you can see here, 1 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5, 2 by 5, etc. All these are like fraction, as they have same denominator, that is 5. Now next here, unlike fraction. Fraction whose denominator are different are called unlike fraction. As you can see here, 3 by 5, 3 by 7, 4 by 9, 11 by 13, etc. These are unlike fraction, as their denominators are different. Dear children, here we are come to the end of today's online class.